lights and sirens, chilly nights, petty fights between my friends and I. Sick of living on the fly, still probably stricken by the fact I was so damn high. I feel the envy, I feel the urge to pretend be a self-important Cinderella till the morning end me. Is it all a waste of time? Puzzle pieces in my pocket as I chase the lines to read between. Besides, you guys seem to think that I'm trying to redefine what it means to rhyme. Maybe I'd just like to write. Please go mind your own business, find where I'm at, resign. Cheat until the glass slipper outgrows me. I'll keep tossing words back quick as they're thrown me. I'd rather disown me than die old and lonely. So the story goes, the one they sold me. A tragic tale, say it feels fine. No magic spell heals time. Staring deep inside and I can't hold back. Can't believe that I fell so far off track. Look at the film rules, burn the cinema down. Give up the giving a drown. Let's stick around. I wish I could make for every selfish mistake. Heartbreak, jealousy, lasting past the high. 1,000 lives that pass me by. Still time lets me escape before the future takes shape. I'll ripple sutures along dead side level. Somewhere beyond the dark and ocean stars, I'll reach soon. Dance along the waves. Stay bright, take flight, dance beyond midnight. Stay bright, take flight, just might dance along the way. When the fairy tale is through, the villains gotta fail cause they all do. Imaginary same old me versus you. In a moment of weakness and fear, I lost musical inspiration and made lies up on the spot cause they pissed. Wishing I could reach far and be that me from back then. Not a worry in the world, just a kid and play pretend. A tragic tale, say it feels